Hi everyone, David Maley from Tech Know-How, and today I'm going to show you how to assess late fees in Excel. So this is a process that uses customer ID, days late, and as you can see right here, the late fee is $1 per day, and it must be past 30 days late to assess it. So you've got customer ID, days late, and then next to it you have late charge. And if you look in here, it's an if statement. What we're doing is we're saying if B3, which is this one right here, where it's 9, is less than 30, then no late fee. That's the first condition. If it's not that, then it's B3 minus 30. So in this case, see that? It's 31 minus 30 will be $1. That's how that works to get this. And then you just copy and paste it on the way down, just like this. You would just copy that formula down, and it takes it, puts on that data. Now, the only thing I did beyond that here is I also put in conditional formatting. So if I go here to Home, Conditional Formatting, and I just used New Rule. So you can see here I use lowest value, highest value of orange, and then as it gets higher, the higher the fee here, or the fine, it gets to more of a yellow color. See that? So if you go here, you can see these are the low at the orange, and at the higher end, here's $26. This person was 26 days beyond that 30 days late. So they're 56 days late, and they get a $26 fee. So that's how it works. Copied all the way down. You can see it here on those customers. So customer ID, days late, and then again, here it is. We're just using an if statement, and then the first condition is that it's going to be low late fee, and the second one is that if there is a late fee, it's going to be this minus 30 because it's $1 per day. If it was $2 per day, it'd be that times 2 put in there. Hope you found this interesting and information. It's a quick way to use Excel to track like library fees and things like that. Thanks and have a great day.